Hey guys, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a bag unboxing per se. I guess that's what I'm gonna call it. And I picked it up, it's so loud, from Nordstrom. Cute holiday bag and everything. So, with this bag, I have been seeing a lot of reviews on YouTube regarding that it is the best, designer bag under 200, 250. It's under 200 I think in the States, but I'm in Canada. If you didn't know, welcome. I live up here in the cold. It's cold right now, guys. But yeah, so I decided I wanted to get it. So with this bag, I basically paid with it for gift cards. Originally, it was on my radar to get, but I was like, I'll wait on it, blah, 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 blah. And my boss at my job gave me a gift card to Nordstrom. So that was half the bag right there. Then I was to my friend, I was like, oh, what are you getting me for Christmas? Oh, you should get me a Nordstrom gift card. And then I can use it to get my bag, and that's technically just a Christmas gift, right? So he got me a gift card to Nordstrom, which was great, which I love. I appreciate the gifts, you know. And the bag I'm talking about is the Marc Jacobs tote bag. I should zoom out a bit because it's really zoomed in. There you go. The Marc Jacobs tote bag. It is a canvas bag. If you watched my luxury video, my 2020 luxury wish list, I'll link it up in the cards up above. You would have known I was looking for the small one because it came with a crossbody bag. I decided not to get it because when I went in store, it was $230. This was $245. It was a $15 difference, but this could hold so much more. It's a decent sized bag. Why I picked this bag is because I work in dental, and with the whole pandemic and COVID thing, we have to wear street clothes to work. You gotta change, and then you gotta change out of the clothes that you wore to work and go back in your street clothes. So it's a lot of changing. And I have a Herschel backpack that I have for school, and it just wasn't cutting it because I couldn't put my clothes in there, plus my lunch, and whatever else. And because I'm only working 2 days a week right now at the dental office, I wanted something that was easy to use, easy to access, and just worked. And that I could use traveling once the world opens up, and we're not going to get clowned on for going out to places. So I got it in black because it was either black or the cream color. They did have a leopard print one, and I was really tempted to get the leopard print one, but I just felt I'd have it and then never use it because leopard is such a bold thing. And yeah, I usually wear black most of the time, but it was still too bold for me to want to wear on a regular, so I was like, let me just stick with the black. It is a nice size. It's canvas. Like I said, it was $245 Canadian. What I like about it, it's large, like a black hole down in the inside. It has a little zippered pouch that you can put stuff in here. It has 2 pockets here, which is nice. And what I like about it, it will fit my laptop with more than enough room, and I have a MacBook Pro, so I'm super stoked about that. So yeah, I'm really excited for that bag. I am going away this weekend with my sister, so this is going to be my travel bag because we're only gone for a night because she's doing an event, so we're going away for a night. I really don't need much stuff. I can bring my laptop so I can edit some videos. I might vlog when I'm out there and whatnot, but I'm super excited. It's super sturdy, and it's subtle without being too over bearing with the logo. It's a big logo, but it's still subtle enough. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a great everyday bag for me and whatnot. Once I start using it and getting the feel of it, I'll definitely show what fits in it, because I plan that once the world opens up, my city's in currently 2.0 lockdown. It just got extended by another week. I want to be able to bring my work stuff to work, bring my lunch, and then I'll bring my gym stuff, so when I'm done work, I can just go from work to the gym, work out for a couple hours before picking up my brother from work and whatnot. So it's going to be a really good bag to use. It's going to be super sturdy. It's Has nice weight to it, so I'm super excited about it. But yeah, I'm really excited. This is a quick video about the new bag I got. Like, I feel like on my channel, all I'm going to be posting for the month of January and February is new bags that I bought. But they bring me so much joy, and I want to share my joy with you, because I do have another unboxing coming up right after this. So definitely subscribe if you're into those kind of videos. And if you're not, let me know. Let me know in the comments down below if you have the Marc Jacobs tote bag and in what size and how you like it, and if it wore well for you, because I know this bag's been out for a minute, so it's not like a new bag, because I've seen people do like a year review on it and whatnot. But let me know how this bag has treated you in the comments down below. Follow me on my social media, and I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye y'all.